All right, sitting here in North Ohio picking up this load, headed to the Jack Daniel plant. Like I said in another video, it's be the lightest load that gives you the most work. Tiered what I could tier and overstrap what I can overstrap. I got a feeling it's still gonna shift a little bit, but we should be all right. All right, just the load. Jesus. Picking this up out of South Alabama. Headed to North Alabama. It's a short hop, but it's a sketchy short hop. This is legit a oversized load that they know that they know it's oversized. We're just trying to get it there with no problems. Where I parked the truck, gonna do a quick and fast and simple oil change. Do it yourself. Got my oil pan, and my filter. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is just drain the oil from the pan. I just use your 1/2 inch. Find the groove in there. Right, just shouldn't. There it is. Okay, get it cracked. Now it should just that's therapeutic to look at. We're gonna replace the fuel oil separator and the fuel filter right here and there. That's dirty, bro. Dirty. Holy shit. Get the oil filter change. Loosen this up. Ugh. Shouldn't be too tight. It's coming loose. There it is. Just dump that right on in there. Put the new filter in there. Ugh. There it is. Just make sure it's seated in there properly. Oil separator done. Now it's time to replace that fuel filter. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna drip a little bit, but you just catch it. Try to catch as much as you can. Directly into the new filter to help those injectors out, because I do have an injector problem that I gotta get fixed. So using this really helps out, keep that engine light. You gotta turn it back a 1/2 turn, then turn it, you know, clockwise to lock in there to make sure the threads. It's just fill it up with oil. I like to poke a hole in it right here. Some of it already comes with a hole, but poke a hole just to let it drain better. There you go. And that, my friend, is your oil change. 35 minutes. This is how I dispose of the old oil. Put it right back in the bucket. Take it to the local AutoZone and dump it.